Hey guys, Kay here. Quick thing today. I get a lot of people who want to make money online, and one of the things that stops them is they're looking for permission to do things. So this video is more going to talk about, how you could branch out and make money online, but using your own energy. To do anything and be successful at anything, you got to be able to make your own decisions. If you're looking for someone to validate your existence, to validate your ideas, to validate your work ethic, you're not going to be successful. That's more the mentality of going to a job and trying to have someone tell you what to do every day. And in them telling you what to do, that's how you're productive. To make money online, you have to set a standard for you being productive. And that means you got to make your own decisions. You got to decide how you want to proceed, and you don't need to look for someone for validation to do some of those things. Quick story. I met a lady who, I think she's an excellent cook, and she actually made something that I thought was really great. But in our having and enjoying that meal, what I noticed was she was looking for accolades to validate that her cooking was good. And I thought, my goodness, this woman is a great person who could cook, but yet she is looking for validation from someone outside of herself to say that she is a good cook. And it's like, you know what? If folks think that way, what ends up happening is your energy, your creativity, your brilliance gets stolen by someone else validating your worth. So if you're looking to make money online, one of my best advice is, you know what? Go with your gut. Be and do the things that you want to do. Don't look for validation from someone to say, you know what, you should go ahead and do that. That's going to work. Just do it, because you know yourself, you know your intensity, you know your creativity, so just go for it. So I leave you with this. Go for it, but, do strengthen your mind, because when you strengthen your mind, you realize that, you know what, no one outside of you could come in and destroy what you've built. So I highly suggest a book called The Richest Man in Babylon. You could search for it on YouTube, listen to the audio. I think it will be an empowerment to you. And as always, if you're looking to make money online, you could definitely partner with me. I'll have a link in the description of how you could partner with me to sharpen your skills in being the best person you could be. It's only a $100 business. It's been making me passive income ever since. So if you're interested, check that link in the description box.